Morning guys, happy Sunday everybody. Mr. C here. Well, it's Sunday, it's a really nice day and I'm out in the garden. Mrs. C's at work, and while Mrs. C's at work I get plenty of Stella, I get a jacuzzi and I get a place in the sun over there to sit and chill. It's 10 o'clock in the morning now. Mrs. C's working hard until 6 o'clock, and by that time I think I'll have cracked open that barbecue over there, and I think I might even just cook us some food. Do you like the shirt, by the way? I love this shirt. I bought it in the Philippines when we went over at Christmas. Look at that. That's really nice. One of my favourite vests. Showing off all the muscles I don't really have anymore at 59 years old. I used to be a lot bigger. Anyway, it's supposed to be about 25 degrees today, guys. It's supposed to be. At the moment, it's about 19. It looked a lot hotter on the video call I had with my sister-in-law and brother, Maricel, Morris, over in the Philippines earlier on. So Maricel, Morris, Isaiah, Isaac, hi guys. I'm having a great time. Ning Nong Steve, which means Godfather Steve. Ning Nong Steve. Brother, sister. Oh man. It's going to be a great day today. To be honest, I'm missing Ascension. It's not very often not very often we're apart, to be honest. Since we've been together pretty much every day of our lives. Even when I was working away, I was taking her with me. Anywhere we went, I used to take her with me. So it's a bit strange now that she's working, doing her thing, and I'm sat at home. I suppose I feel like she was feeling now when I was out at work and she was sat at home. Yeah, I miss her. But anyway, what do we do today? We'll open this jacuzzi for a start. I changed the water in it yesterday, guys. It's lovely and clean now. Well, it was clean before. It's just that we had this stupid idea of putting Himalayan bath salts in it, which smell really nice and are very therapeutic. But it sort of clouded the water up a little bit, and now it's just nice and clear, guys. So that's the job for today. Jacuzzi, barbecue, get drunk, smoke loads of cigarettes. Oh, what's this? I've got another YouTube comment. Somebody like your comment. Oh, Boescool 666. There he is. So, talking of jacuzzis, Boescool 666. He was telling me where to find the destruction manual on how to build this, and also what the mysterious object was that came in the box from Lazy Spar, and apparently it's a spanner. It's a multi-tool. So Boescool 666. Not sure if you subscribed or not, but thank you for the comments, mate. Really appreciate that. Yeah, it's all good. Right, that's it. I'm going to catch you guys in a bit. What a beautiful day. Sat here working on my suntan. I'm the only one in the family that does work on suntans. Ascension, she doesn't like to sit in the sun because she doesn't like to go browner than she normally is. Strange that. Very strange. I'm the one. I want to go brown and she wants to get white. She actually uses a soap, a whitening soap, to make her skin whiter. I think I've married Michael Jackson. Yeah, it's beautiful today. It's warm. Nice and warm. Talking to Maricel and Morris this morning in the Philippines. Apayao Connor, where they live in the mountains. It looked really hot there where they were, and I really just want to get back there, back to the Philippines. I mean, we had a month there at Christmas, but I'd like to get back and have another month there. We're going to go in, we're planning on going in October, because brother Junior is his daughter, my niece Kyla. It's her birthday on the 17th of October. We're going to go over there to Mum's house, I think, and we're going to meet up and we're going to have a bit of a party. We're only going to stay a couple of days at Mum's. I'm going to pick my motorcycle up from there, that's where it's parked. And we're going to head off to Maricel and Morris's in the mountains. So you guys are going to be watching a month's worth of blogging from the mountains in North Luzon on the channel around October time. Stay tuned for that, guys. We did put a lot of videos up from last Christmas when we was over there. So if you're new to the channel, just look through the archive and you'll see us over there when we had the last month. But yeah, really looking forward to it. I bought a couple of motorcycle jackets. They're getting delivered here in the next few days. I got myself some summer gloves for the bike. I've bought some panniers for the bike as well. I keep calling it a bike. It's an ADV 160. It's a Honda. It's only a 160cc, but you know what? It's great. It's nippy. It's good on fuel. So I bought a new rack which you can mount the existing top box on, and I've got some pannier boxes coming. They're coming as well. And I've also bought a bag that sits over the fuel tank. If the fuel tank's low, it sits between the seat and the handlebars. It's like a bag. So we'll have the top box to put things in, the pannier bags, the tunnel bag, I think they call them, and the area under the seat to strap things to and put things in. And myself and Ascension, we can travel around on the scooter. We'll take the drone, obviously, and we'll make more interesting videos. I'm not going to tell you too much of what we're going to do there at Morris and Maricel's, because we've got a few plans. I'm hatching a cunning plan. But it'll all be revealed in October if you carry on watching the channel. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I know it's a boring shit channel, but sometimes we do interesting things. Sometimes. Oh, did I say it was nice and warm today? I wonder how many of these I can drink by the time Mrs. C gets home. Maybe I'll still be coherent. So I'm just going to chill out here in the sun a bit longer. Then I'm going to jump in that jacuzzi and cool down when I get too warm. Then a bit later, I'm going to fire that barbecue up, and around 5:30 time, I'm going to start cooking some food for Mrs. C. So when she gets home, Mr. C's cooked her a nice meal, and the jacuzzi's waiting for her, and she can enjoy the rest of the nice sunny day. So I'm just going to sit here and smoke and drink for a bit, guys. Righty, guys. So I want to say thank you as well to another new subscriber, Jake Piercy. Hey, Jake. Thanks for jumping on board, mate. Appreciate your time. While I'm sat here, or while I was sat here in this beautiful sun, I was looking through the analytics on YouTube. Now, we've been going about a couple of years now, and we never really took it seriously. We never really do take it seriously. But I've just figured out, guys, we've got 654 subscribers. We've had 238,000 views, 3.3 thousand likes, 880 comments, and 706 shares. Wow. We've had over 3,000 views in the last 7 days. That's quite overwhelming for me because, as I said, we're just a couple of normal people. Well, I think I'm normal. I think I am. And, you know, we're just sharing our life. That's exactly what we're doing. We do little things about the Range Rover and Ascension's Range Rover Evoque, and we do things about things we've bought, and we do things about the travels and the places we've been. And yeah, it's just life, guys. I've noticed a lot of people look, but they don't subscribe. So I'm going to ask you, I'll ask you nicely, you know, please subscribe to the channel, guys, you know, and at least you can be notified when I've got some other bullshit video uploaded. We've made some really good friends online, you know. Phil Murphy, hi Phil. If you've not seen Phil Murphy's channel with the Nautilus, with the boat, and it is well worth a watch. You know, I'll give you a link actually to Phil. I'll put it down again today. But Phil is a really good guy, a really nice guy, and he's got some very, very interesting content on his channel, and he's refitting a boat, and it's a nice boat. Really, really good source of information, guys, if you're into boats. I used to have boats. I had a 25-foot cabin cruiser. I've had a speedboat, but I don't know, I just got bored with them and sold them. I've had loads of things in my life. Mostly cars, guys, mostly cars. Let's just see how this Jacuzzi is getting on. Oh, bloody flies. Always flies in the Jacuzzi. Never mind. There'll be another big pest in the Jacuzzi in about 15 minutes. This one. Water's getting warm. 35 degrees. You know what? I can deal with 35 degrees. It is quite warm today. It'd be so nice if my godchildren, Isaac and Isaiah, were here now in the garden. They could play in the jacuzzi, and we could cook food up with Morris and Maricel, and it'd be so cool. It's just that they're halfway around the world. Maybe one day we can pay for the flights, and they can come over from the Philippines to the UK. Ascension's dad, Ronaldo Senior, not Ronaldo Junior, because that's my little brother. Ascension's dad came to London actually years and years ago before he sadly passed away, and he experienced London. And I think he was really proud to come and see his daughter, and he went back to the Philippines with loads of stories about what he'd seen and, you know, what life was like over here. And it would be so nice to get Morris and Maricel and Isaac and Isaiah here, just to come and see the UK and experience it. Maybe we'll make that happen one day, you know, fly them over. Maybe, we'll see. Well, what am I going to do now? Oh, that's right, drink more beer and have a bit more chilling out in the sun. So Mrs. C's been shopping again yesterday. She has. Look what she bought. Some more, I think what we got there, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 clematis. She likes the flowers, as you can tell. So, where are these clematis going to go? I'm thinking, guys, just here, I'm going to put a mesh panel there, a big mesh panel, and then I'm going to build something at the bottom, and the clematis can grow all the way up there. We've already started on this side with two mesh panels. The clematis are sort of starting to grow. But there'll be a wall of them all the way down there, those 2 panels. They'll grow high, and then they'll flower. So we're going to have two there, and then I'm going to have one just there as well. That's the plan, guys. So I need to get myself a mesh panel quickly, because these are still in pots. That jacuzzi is looking inviting. It really is. Right, I've got the breaking strain of a Kit Kat. Only one thing for it. Reveal my perfectly formed body. And jump in here. 35 degrees. It's not actually cold, so let's hit the bubbles. Ah, I can smell the chlorine. This should cool me down for a bit. I could sit here and drink Stella and just chill out. This is so much better than the last lazy spa we had, guys. I mean, the last one got a puncher, but the bubbles are stronger in this one. And it's bigger, and it's deeper. And there's nothing better than a decent jacuzzi, especially when you've had a day at work, a day at the office, out on site, and you come home, you crack open a can, and you sit in here for half an hour, and your body relaxes, and you sleep like a baby. I'm just going to boil myself here for 20 minutes, guys, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Yeah, this is definitely a life. It's a lot better than this time last year when I was travelling backward and forward to Sunderland every week, living away from home. Quality of life, guys, that's what it's all about. Just a shame that Mrs. C is not here to share it. Oh, this is so nice. You've got to get yourself one of these, guys. If you haven't got one, go with a lazy spa, but get the foam walled one. They're really, really good. This one's a Toronto. It's the Toronto version. Much, much better than them inflatable ones. Okay, 20 minutes later. I feel like I've been boiled. Fresh Stella. Back in the sun. Time for another fag. That is so refreshing. That is so nice. You love the water, you know. Interesting Mr. C fact. I've actually got a qualification, a PADI qualification in diving, scuba diving. And I wanted to go for my master divers, but I stopped short. I think the last time I went was 5 years ago. I went to Rhodes in Greece, and I've got a friend there called George. If you're watching, George, hello mate, hello captain. And George has got a dive ship there, and I spent 2 weeks in Rhodes diving on George's ship. I know it is a ship, it's not a bloody boat, it's massive. I used to love water. I love to be underwater. I love diving. But I don't get time for any of that anymore. I don't get time for motorcycles anymore, skydiving, or anything really. Because you get to a certain age and you're just working, you're paying the bills, and then you get a relationship, you get married, you get married, and all those things go out the window really. The only little luxuries I've got left in life now is my car. I want to get another car or another motorbike at some point, and maybe another project, build something again. I've done Corvette Stingrays, I've done Subaru Imprezas, I've done Focus STs, I've done so many different projects. I was thinking this morning about buying another quad bike. I keep looking at the Yamaha Raptors, the 700s, and I'm thinking about buying another quad. But again, I think it's just one of my 3 midlife crises I have every year. So I looked at it, then I closed eBay down, and I'm going to try and push that out of my head now, so I'm not going to do anything stupid. Just had a thought, guys, before I get too drunk. Cook food. So I've marinated some chicken. It's like a bang bang chicken. We've got lamb kebabs and chili and cheese sausages. Now, in there I've got some belly pork defrosting for Mrs. C, and I'm going to marinate that in a little bit of Korean barbecue. I don't know who left there, but that's coming with me. So we'll get back out into the sun, chill out a little bit longer. Just had a really cool phone call with Marisol and Morris, and I got to speak to my goddaughter. Happy days. Oh. I think my day is complete, guys. One thing with the little Elisa and Isaiah, they always bring a smile to my face whenever I speak to them. And she gives me the little love heart symbol as well, you know, they make the heart with the fingers. Oh, it just warms my heart, guys, it really does. So, food's sort of getting marinated. I'm getting barbecued in the sun. I'm going to crack open that barbecue soon and get everything prepped for when Mrs. C gets home from work. But between now and then, I'm just going to keep alternating between a nice jacuzzi and a nice place in the sun. Alrighty. Getting a bit brown on one side now. Alright. Got my YouTube on, got the speaker on. I'm not going to get any copyright strike because I'm using Ilocano reggae music. Here we go. Perfect afternoon to piss off the neighbours. So chilled out, guys. But I need more beer. Oh man, this is a life. I can't get a copyright strike now. Filipino OPM reggae. Good health, guys. We need bubbles. This is what happens when Mr. C gets left to his own devices. Perfect day, guys. Steve's having a one-man party, I think. This is what we work for. This is life. The only one thing better than this will be to doing this at my own home in the Philippines in a few years' time. Can't wait to get building the house, guys. The land's nearly paid. I think we've got about another year to pay the land off, and then we can start to build. I'm nearly 60. If I'm lucky to live until 80, I've got 20 years with my wife in my home, in a country I really love, in the sun, near the sea, and I can say goodbye to all this in the UK. Sort of pretty lucky, we've got a good life here, but I've worked for it, guys. I've worked so hard for this. Life's not always been good to me. But when you're on your ass, you get back on your feet and you build back up. This is exactly what I've done. Well, guys, I'm having a hell of an afternoon by myself. Got the barbecue lit now. Mrs. C will be home in a couple of hours, so I'm going to cook the belly pork. I've got the tunes going on, drinking some Stella, smoking some facts. Man, it's a Sunday. The sun is shining. We're going to have good food. And I'm peeling or feeling Positive vibes. Again, big hi, Maricel, Morris, Isaiah, Isaac. Hi guys. This is Ning Long Steve in the UK. Chilling out, doing his own thing. No Mrs. C at the moment. Guaranteed I'll get a bollocking when she gets home. But in the meantime, positive vibes, guys. Positive vibes. Right, guys. It's a bit later in the afternoon. I'm starting to look like a lobster. Getting a bit red. That's cool. We've got a barbecue going. It's very hot. Gotta cook some food for Mrs. C for when she gets home. When it gets too hot, I'm going into that. Because that's lovely and cold. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this beautiful UK summertime weather. And I'll get my bollocking off Mrs. C later when she comes home. Guess what, guys? It's 3 o'clock. Mrs. C lied to me like a dog. She's home. I was expecting her at 6 o'clock. But she's here. I just saw the car pull on the drive. Is this where I get a bollocking for trying to cook dinner? Let's find out, guys. Hello, Mrs. C. How's it going, babe?
It's all right. What are you doing?
I'm on the barbecue, getting slightly drunk, cooking you dinner. I've had a very good day, babe.
Copyright, babe.
No, there's no copyright.
Wait, you're pointing me the camera, babe.
Mrs. C has got a channel called UK-PINAY. She is the UK-PINAY. I'm the fat Yorkshireman. And she wonders why I'm pointing the camera to. What you got, babe?
Nothing, babe.
I'm going to pester her now. I'm just going to follow her around with the camera. Oh, anyway, here's Mrs. C's dinner. I'll get that on the barbecue. Well, Mrs. C is home 3 hours early. I think she's a bit grumpy. That's okay, because I'm just going to wind her up. I've got Mrs. C's dinner right here. I've got to get it cooked for her, guys. There we go. Sausages. Oh, she's talking to me now. More sausages. And more sausages. Hello, babe. Mrs. C just came out. She gave me the Mr. C hat. She's really good like that. This is my holiday hat, guys. It goes everywhere with me. I just didn't take it to the Philippines last time. Pretty cool, isn't it? Right. Back on with dinner. We've got sausages and we've got lamb kebabs on the go at the moment. Mrs. C is watering the plants, which I did the beans earlier. I just didn't water everything else. So when the sausages and the lamb kebabs are done, we'll get the baboy on and We'll get the chicken on. Can't remember what it's called. Manuk. We'll get the manuk. Manuk and bad boy, or baboy. Mrs. C has been home 20 minutes. She'd already watered the plants, which I sort of watered them like 2 hours ago. I did the greenhouse, I did the strawberries. But Mrs. C, she's watering, guys. She's had a complaint. She must have had a hard day at work. So she's forgiven. There she is. Look, with her summer hat on, in the garden, watering plants. She's having fun. Bless her. I can't understand why she's home 3 hours early. I told her she was trying to catch me with another woman.
I said 7 to 3, I'm working, you know, babe.
Oh, apparently I heard it wrong. It was 7 till 3, not 7 till 6.
Yesterday is 6, I'm finished.
Okay. She's complaining. I think she's trying to catch me with another woman.
I don't care what you do.
She doesn't care what I do. Lucky for her, the other woman went home about half an hour ago. All right. Let's get back on with this barbecue, guys. Anyway, I'm happy my wife's home. She's just grumpy. She'll feel better after some food and a nice jacuzzi. I'm having fun. It's been a great Sunday. I'm glad she's home, but just let her get the grumpiness out of the way and she'll be fine later. It's what we call in UK being married. Okay guys, enjoying beer. Barbecue's finished. Right there. Mrs. C and Mr. C would have a really nice meal. I don't know what's going on with my little microphone here, the little DJI. It's not working. So I hope you can sort of hear this. Anyway, I want to say goodbye to everybody. Thank you for watching. Anyway, goodbye everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.
Sabihin kong pa